Did you know that you can actually install HubSpot CRM as a mobile app? If you're working in marketing and sales, probably you heard about HubSpot or Salesforce, just depending which software your team is using. But yeah, like recently, I personally discovered that even these kind of complicated apps systems you can use on your phone. Of course, the functionality will be quite limited, but you can see the main reports, kind of the main ideas, and just usually some issue or something, you don't need to like open your desktop and carry your laptop with you everywhere. So that's basically yeah, that's the idea of the app, and then you can just log in, sign up. Of course, you need to probably create your account on the browser, but then you can just proceed um, yeah, with your HubSpot app on the phone. So something like that. So give it a try.